2017 Tesla Model X Review. The 2017 Tesla Model X is unlike any other SUV on the market. It's an electric vehicle with a long driving range, cutting-edge technology including a self-driving option, and it doesn't compromise on space or comfort. New for 2017. 289-mile driving range with new 100 kWh battery. Pros and cons. Long driving range. Top-notch autonomous driving tech. Outrageous acceleration. Responsive, large touch screen. Plain interior compared to rivals. Complex infotainment menus. Middle row doesn't fold flat. The 2017 Tesla Model X has heart-pumping acceleration and sports car-like handling. It has a comfortable ride with little body roll. Acceleration is strong and available batteries up the SUV's power. The Model X has such powerful acceleration that you likely think you're driving a sports car and not an SUV. It has an optional ludicrous speed upgrade that turns everything up a notch and makes the drive even more exciting. With this upgrade, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The base 75D Model X has an electric range of 238 miles. To compare its fuel efficiency against gasoline-only SUVs, the EPA measures mpg. The Model X gets 91 mpg in the city and 95 mpg on the highway. The 90D model gets 90 mpg in the city and 94 mpg on the highway. The P90D gets 8,192 mpg. The Model X's handling belies its large size. It is secure around corners with responsive steering. There is little body lean and the ride is mostly comfortable. However, you can feel slight disturbances over some bumps and dips in the pavement. All-wheel drive is standard. The 2017 Tesla Model X has quality interior materials, but the cabin's styling is plain. It has comfortable and spacious seating throughout, though legroom can be tight for taller passengers in the second row. The large tablet at the center of its infotainment system is responsive, but some of the menus take time to get used to. The Falcon wing doors provide easy access to the second and optional third row, and the Model X has both a rear and front trunk for cargo storage. The Model X comes standard with seating for 5, but you can increase capacity to 6 or 7 with available upgrades. Standard features include a leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, a panoramic front windshield, 14-way power-adjustable front seats with memory settings, and Falcon wing doors that are double-hinged and feature sensors to help the doors avoid obstacles when they open. Heated rear seats and a heated steering wheel are available. There is plenty of head and legroom in the front seats of the Model X. There is also great visibility in both the front and second rows thanks to the panoramic windshield that stretches up and over the first 2 rows. This windshield also allows for good headroom. Backseat legroom, however, isn't quite as spacious. Depending on if you get the 5, 6 or 7-seat Model X, there are up to 4 latch systems for child seats. They have not yet been evaluated by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety for ease of use. The Model X comes standard with 4 USB ports, a 17-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, a 9-speaker sound system, collision avoidance, automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, power and heated side mirrors, proximity key entry, and navigation with real-time traffic. Available features include enhanced autopilot, a 17-speaker sound system, satellite radio, and a high-amperage charger.